Welcome, guys. This is Reaper. I'm back. It has been a while without posting some videos, but today I'm back with a video. Yeah, this one we can call it Zimdancehall afrobeat, because I've made a application of like something like a dance or a Zimdancehall, but the chord progression I use for the afrobeat. So let's hear how it goes. Like that, the combination of the beat of Zimdancehall and the chords of afrobeat. So let's hear these guys without wasting any much time. Right. Let me break it down for you so that we can see how I made this one. I will start with the kick. As you know how Zimdancehall kick goes, the basic one. It goes like this. Alright. Put this one again. This one of this height, I make sure that I put some velocity to decrease the volume of these ones. This is the important part of this page, these chords. Right. Let me play only the beat without these keys and the chords, and hear how it sounds. It goes exactly like Zimdancehall. So when I put these chords, it goes like this. Oh, so guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave some comments. If you want me to finish this beat, you can just comment in the comment section. See you next time. Thank you.